Hi folks, today I'm out here with my M25 Savage. It's a bull barrel 223, and today we're going to be shooting some Australian Outback. This is a 55 Blitzking Bullet. We're going to be shooting it at 100 yards. We're going to get a velocity as well as a patterning test on this. So stay tuned, let's see what it does. This is the Australian Outback. As you can see, it grouped real well. I'm going to put this at a shade over a quarter size grouping for the 5. So thanks again for watching. Have a wonderful day, and please subscribe.